Got to get some of that beautiful ribeye steak, AAA, nothing but the best ish. Lime. Lime is always good. Very good. Red onion, and we got some olive oil as well. So, and then we got some Kim Chun soy sauce, which I don't know what brand is really good, but try to use something that doesn't suck. So the red onion, you're gonna chop it up into pieces, and what you want to do is allow for the emulsification process to do its thing. You'll see that I'll add something there afterwards that will allow for that emulsifying way better. Gonna cut up that lime, make sure it's a juicy lime. You can tell it's gonna be juicy if it has thin skin. Kind of looks like it's about to explode. And in the process, you bring your dog in and kiss your dog a bunch because you love her more than anything in the world. And then you put her down. And then you go back to what's going on, put the lime juice in there. And after you get the lime juice, put the soy sauce in. And then you got some kosher salt, because why not? But that is the emulsification component that will really allow that onion to break down. And then you put some super expensive as olive oil. You don't need the super expensive olive oil. More or less anything will do there. Blend it all together, watch it do its thing. It's going to turn into what looks like a slushy, but don't drink it. Then you get to put some black pepper in, and to your taste, to your liking. It's not going to burn because you're really just blending that in. This is the weird part. You don't normally cut up ribeyes like this, but we're trying to give it more surface area so it could get all of that beautiful marinade in, and if you want, you could cube it for kebab purposes afterwards as well. So that's what that's going to look like. I find these proportions to be great because we're going to be cooking this on a wood fire, and I'll show you how we're going to do that afterwards. And give some to your dog, not with the marinade. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put all that in there, and you're going to massage it like you are massaging somebody that you truly love, sort of. And yeah, that's kind of the process.